Hi guys, this is Princess and welcome back to another video. And now for today, what I'm going to be doing is a little bit funny because wala kaming graduation pic. Meron kaming graduation picture. Nag-graduation picture kami nung March 2. But since nagkaroon nga ng COVID outbreak, the virus outbreak, pandemic, hindi na-send sa amin. And of course, hindi rin natuloy yung graduation ceremony namin, which is super sad kasi yun yung pinaka nilook forward naming event, ceremony. Sobrang sad lang kasi our graduation was supposed to be on May 15 and up until ngayon, hindi pa rin nasisend sa amin yung soft copy ng grad pic namin. Eh, hindi ako makahintay. Hindi ko rin naman alam kung kailan send yung soft copy ng graduation picture namin. Yung bigayan ng grades namin is tomorrow na pala. So, titignan ko kung kasama yung pag-send ng grades sa amin yung grad pic. So, I hope kasama yun kasi gusto ko na makita yung itsura ko sa grad pic. Or else, magpipicture talaga ako ng sarili ko, which is now, which I'm going to do now. That's the reason why I'm filming this video. Ayun. I don't want to use the official toga of Adam's one. Baka mamaya mapagalitan ako. Scary. And, ayun, maghanap lang ako sa internet ng Filipiniana. And then I'm going to do my best to edit my face there. Let's get on to this video na nga. Tatanggalin ko na yung eyeglasses ko. And then I'm going to wear my contacts. Ayun din. Kasi sabi sa amin bawal mag-contacts. So ako naman masyado akong masunurin. Sinuot ko yung clear contact lens ko. Tapos yung mga kaklase ko na contact lens silang brown. Pwede naman pala yung brown. So I'm going to start my makeup now. So first, get your hands clean. I will put on sunblock. Wala lang, para protected ang face. So I just cleaned my brushes last night, so malinis na sila ulit. This is the best foundation ever. The coverage is nice. The quality is nice. And it's also long-lasting and it doesn't become cakey. Ang pangit ko magsalita talaga. Damp sponge. I'm just going to blend it out and work my way in. So lately I have been watching NCT videos a lot and I am this close to standing NCT. I'm just like, assessing myself really good if I'm going to stand them or not, because when I stand a group or an idol, I'm really going to stand them, like, super. I-stand ko talaga silang sobra. Ganun ako mag-stand ng group. Hindi yung parang, I listen to their song, I like it, I stand them. Pero I will really dig deep. I'm really going to dig deeper sa pag-research sa kanila if I'm going to stand a group or a girl group. Just going to cancel out my dark circles. I love my birthmark a lot, but there are times when I don't really want them to show. Kasi it distracts me a lot whenever I look at my pictures and then I'm going to look at my forehead like, my spot. Pero, I've grown to accept it already. Shout out to my friends, Ira and Queenie, kasi nagsastart na sila ng YouTube channel nila. So go subscribe to their channels. And also Noemi, my friend. I'm going to put their channels here so you guys can subscribe to them and check out their videos. Give my friends some love. Okay, magpapalbo naman tayo. I've used this in my previous video, so go check it out. Brush ko, nakakahugas ko lang kagabi. Pinaka ayoko na ginawa ng makeup artist ko nung graduation picture namin. Kuya, I'm going to show you how I do my eyebrows. You should learn from me. Char, joke lang. Hindi ako pro. I just love makeup so much. So, ang ginawa niya sa kilay ko, finalo niya talaga yung art na ganun. I don't do my eyebrows like that because I look really matanda for my age. That's why I make it straighter than the usual. And now I'm going to conceal this part. So I got this video idea from That's Bella. Nag-picture siya ng sarili niyang grad pic kasi nga hindi daw sila naka-grad pic. But her story is different from mine kasi kami nag-grad picture naman kami pero nga hindi pa nasi-send. Tumidilim na unti-unti kasi nga uulan. Sana kanina ko pa inisip to na yung dalhin yung lighting. I'm going to use this because mukhang pang graduation yung mga colors niya and I noticed na habang nilalagay yung eyeshadows ko, mag-grad pic kami. Parang ganito yung mga shades na nilagay nila. And I also brought here with me my palette from Squad Cosmetics. I'm going to use some of the colors from here. This is the color that I'm going to put as a base. The matte one, I will be putting that on the crease. Ooh, thunder. Sobrang chill lang nito, no? Kasi nakatungtong pa talaga yung paa. A very chill makeup chikahan with Princess. Okay, so we're done with the shading and now I'm going to sparkly color. Yung tamang eyeline lang. Tamang wing lang. The eyeliner that I'm using, by the way, is from Squad Cosmetics as well. Sweet! Padilim na ng padilim. Kasi nga uulan. And make sure nagsasmile kayo kapag nilalagay niyo yung blush niyo. Oh my god, that's so marami. This is a tip that I've proven and tested already. Kapag maglalagay kayo ng blush, lalo na pag magpipicture kayo and you want your face to look really thin, make sure you put it upwards, not like that. Make sure it goes upwards para na outline ng blush niyo yung cheekbones. This is a hack that you can use. Take your eyebrow pencil, and this is what we are going to use as a contour for our nose. Actually, there's nothing wrong with using your makeup sa ibang way. Oh my god, ang lakas. You just have to be creative in using your makeup. Kasi pag sinabing lipstick, it doesn't mean it just goes on your lips. Diba? You can use it as an eyeshadow, as a blush. Come on, it's already 2020, guys. You have to be creative in doing your makeup. Look at that glow. For my lipstick, I will use this one. Actually, hindi pa siya nagagamit. Since pag mag-graduation, diba, yung mga lipstick shades na ginagamit, it's either pink or nude. Bihira lang yung red and mga corally shade. So this one is the perfect shade. We're done with the makeup look. And now let's proceed to the fun part, which is the photoshoot part. And maglalagay ako ng earrings like this. Kasi ito yung required pag Filipiniana. Pearl earrings. Sis, kailangan maganda tayo, sis. I'm going to take my pictures with my Huawei phone kasi mas maganda yung lighting sa kanya. Tingnan niyo. Diba? And what's cool about Huawei is that when you do this with your hand, nag-automatic siya ma-shot. And another cool feature I found out about my phone is that when I smile, nagpi-picture siya automatically. Oh my god. This is so high-tech. Basta nakasmile ka lang, mapipicturean ka lang. Huawei, you should sponsor me na. You should get me as your endorser. Kasi nakakatuwa talaga yung pag-picture na to. By the way, my phone is Huawei Y7 2019 Pro. So, it's time for me to edit. So, what I'm going to do is go to Pixar. Wait lang, my friend is chatting me, sending me messages, and now, yeah, I'm going to Pixar because this is my go-to editing app. I went ahead and go to Google to search for sample pictures of graduation pictures wearing Filipiniana. So these are the best ones that I chose. So now I am going to PixArt to edit my picture. So right now, I'm just erasing the white borders around my picture para mukhang hindi edited. Nakakatawa pala to, no? Nakakatawa! Totoo talaga. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching my video. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung pang-ending ko. Hindi ko alam kung sasabihin ko ba kung may natutunan kayo or something. Sana na lang nag-enjoy kayo sa mga pinagagawa ko ngayong quarantine kasi sobrang bored lang talaga ako. And watch out for my new video kasi I'm planning on changing my hair color again soon. Pero hindi ko pa alam kung anong color, pero watch out for my next vlog. And before leaving, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and click the bell button beside the subscribe button to get notified in the next video that I'm going to post. And also follow me on my social medias to get more updates about my quarantine life. See you in my next vlog.